put a glove over the faucet because it has a little drip. I don't know if you can see it. It's filling up with water. So I take the glove on there. Anyway, I'm gonna wipe it out with alcohol, and then I'm gonna try the tough tile and see how it turns out. You have to have your mask on for this. It smells so strong. And don't shake it like I did. There's bubbles. I need to get this job done, so I'm going to do the first coat anyway. See what it looks like. It's really pretty. Basic paintbrush. Here it goes. It said to do a tester on some tiles, but of course I didn't. This is the first coat too, so it definitely doesn't have to be perfect. I know the haters gonna hate. That's how it goes around here. Everybody has their opinion. But I think I gotta work kind of fast. It seems like sticky, strong paint. I've never worked with a paint like this. All right, there's the first coat. Mask off further than you think. That's one thing for sure to do. Because I got it on camera and I'm bummed. Grip on that. You have to make sure there's no water leaking. You know while it's drying. So I got the fan on and it says 48 hours. So I don't think I'm done. I'm going to just do the 2 coats. Well, we're about 20 hours in the dry, and I can tell you it's really cool. It's, I mean, you can see some marks, but it's gonna look really great compared to what it looked like before. So, I think it's a pretty cool product. It says don't remove the tape until the 48 hours, so I will leave the tape there. But you can see it's soft, and just the color. I mean, this was a big hole, a divot. And the other one is like right here. It was a big divot. This was all like orangey yellow. I didn't even get a really good before picture. I had already touched it up, so it looks great. Take off the paper now. And then you can see this thing, the glove filled up with water, so it's leaking. But I put this pan here. It's actually leaking now. You can see the water on there. So it turned out really nice, I think. So let's just see once I get this tape off what we end up with. Okay, and plan better than this dumb glove. I would plan something better because this overflowed. Maybe like a big sandwich bag or something would be better. So let's see if we can rinse it out. works pretty good. It's like, it's pretty cool. It feels like a sink. A lot of things I did wrong. You can see the edges look pretty bad. Around the drain doesn't look too good. But you should have seen it before. It had like a big divot right here, a big divot over here. It was all orange. And now I can just this epoxy. That's very nice. Looking pretty good. Okay, so then I ended up cutting out just a little piece to cover up that weird spot in the back there. I mean, you don't really see it all the time, but it's just contact paper. I'm gonna put some in the cupboards anyway, so it'll match.